island of Kauai. This is part 2 of my month-long trip to the beautiful islands of Hawaii. If you missed part 1, go back and watch that vlog where I was in Oahu for 4 nights. I'll be in Kauai for 2 whole weeks, so enjoy this first week here with me. We are off to Kauai. Lobby. It is 6:30 here in Kauai, but we woke up at 5. I'm just gonna show y'all our little porch we got. It's like a just a little private little porch. This is our room. I don't think I showed y'all our room yet. We got a fridge, so we're gonna go to the grocery store so we can save a little money. And then this barn door is really cool for the bathroom, but nothing too fancy, but it's perfect, and like the beds are incredibly comfy. So Katie's at breakfast and I am getting a little work done. I ordered the pineapple French toast, and they have coconut syrup. I'm dying. I love everything coconut, so yum. It's been raining all morning, but finally cleared up a little bit, so at the pool. How are you doing there, little rooster? This is gonna be the most interesting part of our trip, hands down. Me and Katie are kayaking. I've only kayaked once. She just told us that someone died last week. No big deal.
So go ahead and pick whichever boat you want.
The boat that's not gonna sink.
But they have bungees. Feel a little Jurassic Parky. That's because it is. So this trail right here was used in the filming of the 2nd or 3rd Jurassic Park, when they're like, don't go into the tall grass because that's where the velociraptors are, and then they do, and then they get attacked by velociraptors. That was this trail.
Cool.
Yeah, so keep your velociraptor
That's so
wits
cool.
about you. They didn't get them all in the end. You know, they give you that warning call.
I'm ready.
They're coming to attack.
I'm so ready.
Was that uncannily?
That was not velociraptor.
So this one is called honeysuckle ginger. So when you guys pass it, lean in, give it a little whiff. It smells real nice.
It does smell good.
So guys, we spotted a native Hawaiian bird. She spotted it here. It is when you come to this kind of hole that we've got here next to this dead tree, you'll see a gray heron out on the rocks there. That's a native heron. It's called the black-crowned night heron, or au ku'u.
Okay, that was incredible and really rare that we got to be out there like with nobody else. Like our group was the only one, which the tour guide said like that never happened. So we are headed back, and for those who want to do this tour, I'll put the link in the description. Totally worth it, but you just need to be prepared. The kayaking is kind of a lot. It's a mile. The kayaking is a mile. I mean, it's doable though. And then you hike another mile to the waterfall. And you just embrace the mud.
Not Hawaii. It's not Hawaii.
Costa Rica.
I've been to the Dole Plantation.
Costa Rica.
So these are from the Dole Plantation, yes. But it is, South America, Costa Rica. Mexico is the country credited with where pineapples
We're about to have some fresh pineapple.
It's yummy.
All right, we have fresh pineapple, and we're gonna taste it. Our new friends. Oh wow, that's really good. Okay, so normally I don't order hot dogs, but this is sausage, some kind of Hawaiian yumminess. Sausage dog with pineapple relish. So that's what I ordered. Me and Katie are on the struggle bus from our kayaking adventures. One of the people I said, that was rough, and she said, it was? And the lady was like,
Hi, how are you?
in her 70s probably. Good morning. It's so pretty out here. We're at the beach house, and I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. I feel like I'll really mess it up. A little wedding going on over here. How sweet. She's so pretty. We got some mahi, cilantro rice, some veggies. Sun is setting. Sunsets here are so pretty. Good morning. We're gonna walk out to the beach to watch the sunrise. Apparently the sunrises are beautiful on this side. Your little friend wants to join us. We are at a luau. There are 700 people here. Why are my glasses crooked? The guy said there was like 700 people here because we pulled up and like, this is not what we're expecting. So here we go.
And finally, to all of you, our honored guests, welcoming you to Luau Kalamaku.
Side of Hawaii, and so we're stopping at all the scenic views. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Shipwreck Beach. Yeah, those are huge. I would not be caught dead there. Yeah. Oh my god. How cute is this restaurant? We're at Duke's. We'll let her say it.
We're in lovely Kauai.
This is my beautiful travel agent.
I love her.
In the description will be my beautiful travel agent's information. She will hook you up. 30% off.
30% off code Julie today.
Yes! I can't remember if I got a video of this, but I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. Okay, we're saying goodbye to this room and on to the next. Farewell. This is Katie's last day too. Ah. All right, let's go check out our new hotel. Thank you so much for watching my first week in Kauai. I'm so glad I'm here 2 weeks because it's seriously beautiful and so far my favorite island. Join me for the next full week exploring the island by myself. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss my next vlog. See you at the next hotel.
Bye.